Welcome back to VUDU Garage. Today you can see behind me we've got a Ford Fiesta ST in. It's coming in for one of our VT330 hybrid turbos installing, along with a couple of little bits of hardware. So a AIRTEC stator intercooler. It will also be having a VUDU ported manifold and a set of plugs going into the vehicle as well. The car's already equipped with a crossover pipe, an induction kit and a lower boost pipe kit, so we'll literally just fit in the other bits on it that are required for stage 3. Once it's had that all fitted by Callum, it will then be going onto the dyno, where it will then be tuned with a Peron file.
So as you've probably just seen, Callum's just finishing up fitting the bits to the VT330. The last job to do is fit some spark plugs and do an oil change. The reason we do that is it's good practice, just in case there's any contaminants or any foreign matter to go in a new turbo. It can cause damage to the bearings and the seals in the turbo. They do come primed, and the plugs that he's got in there are the Denso Iridium, which we found not really the best for making power. We've seen some top end misfires with those, so we put in the NGK-R and gap them to 0.6. So as you've just seen, we just finished the car up, did it on the dyno. We managed to make 290 wheel and around 300 pounds-feet of torque. We would have liked to have seen a little bit more, and probably will see a little bit more when he comes back to swap out his Pro intercooler for AIRTEC Stage 3. We couldn't fit it today, unfortunately, because the mounting brackets have been broken. I don't know when previously, if it's an accident or something like that. So when we get him back in, we'll probably chuck him back on dyno, and hopefully we'll see some more bigger numbers. So as always guys, like and subscribe for more content on Fiestas. We're doing a lot of VAG stuff, doing a lot of BMW stuff. If you need any pricing or any information on any of the stuff we've already been doing, give a member of the team a call upstairs in the office and someone will sort you out.